Welcome back to engineering graphics class. Today's session we will discuss the projection of planes, how to solve these problems in using solid edge software. Okay, let me discuss the question number 18. A rectangular plate of negligible thickness of size 35 into 20 mm has one of its shorter edges in VP with that edge inclined at 40 degree to HP. Draw the top view if its front view is a square of side 20 mm. Okay. Before starting the problem, first we will draw the XY line, and we can give the text here, one side capital X and other side capital Y, and above XY line VP and below XY line HP. Okay, then take a line, visible line. Let me start it here. The first step, we have to check where this plane is resting. Okay, here quite little tricky. We can get the data easily here. See, the rectangular plate is they given, and we can see the complete question. In this case, they given a rectangular plate for size 35 and 20 mm is placed here. And see, by seeing this word, that the draw the top view if its front view is a square. So here the clear instruction, that means we are getting the front view as a square. Rectangle is there, it's becoming a square in this. And then now we got that this rectangle should be placed in VP, because the front view should be make it square, because in the front view if you want to get the square means the object should be kept in VP. And moreover, next, the which side is to be placed here. And here also clear instruction they given, one of its shorter edges in VP. So the shorter edge should be taken in resting condition. So we have to take the shorter edge, and then 35 will be here, and second step it look like a square, and then last step they given that shorter edge is 45 degree to HP. We will make it at the last step. Okay, let me take the rectangle option here. The width we can give 35, and height can be given 20, and angle is 0 because edge condition. And we can keep this object anywhere in VP in appropriate place. And then coming to the naming, we can give the naming for this A dash, and this is B dash, and then C dash, and then D dash. And you can show the dimensions of it, 25 and 35 and 20. And to get the top view, draw the projection lines by using normal line to the XY, and then the top view will be look like a straight line, and you can draw with the visible line. And coming to the naming here, so here the first we need to see from the top, A dash is there, then B dash is coming, so that's why here we can say it as A of B. And same way D and C is here, so D is first, so D of C we can write it. Okay, next step. So in the next step, this rectangle become a square of side 20 they given, so we can just extend this line here, and then so we can directly get the square by giving the same 20, enter 20, enter 0, and that should be placed at end of this line. And this one, it should be visible line. You can make this visible line because it is looking like a square. And coming to the naming, go to move option and switch off the copy, and you can keep the namings here, A dash, and this will be D dash, and this will be C dash, and then B dash. And after that we need to find the inclination to VP, how much it is inclined. So here resting condition, this one up to the XY we need to draw the projection line. This projection line should be drawn with the normal line, and then this one you can extend it because we don't know, we will get it here. And we check the length of this will be automatically 35 because the width is same here. And go to arc by center point, take this first resting point as a center and give the radius 35, and then draw the arc to the projection, and then go to line, visible line from the resting point to this one where the arc intersects, so that will be the top view of this, and you can check the angle. So later we will get the 55 degree, and the namings you can move. This is A of B and this is D of C. So now like this we got the second step also finished. And now to the last step, they given the resting side, the shorter edge which is inclined 40 degree to HP. So we need to draw 40 degree line here. Go to line, normal line. This 40 degree either you can draw the right side or left side, that is up to your wish. I am taking on the right side. 40 like this I will get it. On that 40 degree we need to show the angle 40. We need to place this shorter edges. Shorter edges you can take it any the rest AB already we are placed here. AB is there, so that AB should be kept on this 40 degree line. So go to move, switch on the copy, hold the control, select all these edges. You can go to point A dash, pick it and place it on the 40 degree line, and then go to rotate, select this object, everything, then make this A dash fixed point and this B dash rotating point. Make sure it should be come on that 40 degree line, and then move the names. This is A dash and this is B dash, D dash and then C dash. And to get the final top view, draw the projection lines from all the points. A dash, A is on the XY line, you can draw up to here. Then B dash, that is also on the XY line, you can draw up to here. And then C dash, so this is C dash, you can draw here. And D dash is also same of this, you can get it. Before joining all these points, you can name it first. This is A, and here we are getting B, C and D. Now go to line, visible line, join all the points here from A to B to C to D and back to A. Okay, before going to the printout, you can check the namings whether it's having overlapped or it's away from the respective position. So you can keep it on a proper positions and then take the printout. Okay, now everything is finished. Conditions, all conditions satisfied.